Hi everybody, it's Hubert here from M5 Property Addicts, and I've got some fantastic news for you today. We have just completed phase 1. We are 90% tenantable for the end of the month. 11 units over there, so we've done some extensive videos on that and we're finally done on them. I'm going to quickly take you through to phase 2, which we're going to start now, and that's the exciting part. We're finally getting to do stage 2. Walk with me. So what we have here now is the last 4 units of the residential units that we're going to start completing now. Most of the bulk of the work has been done. Outstanding is just lights, touch-up paints, tiling is done, cupboards is done, floors is done. We're just going to do the final varnishing on the floors just to make it nice and neat. All of them are basically the same, so I'm just going to take you today just through one of them. Kitchens are in. As you can see, we've got a little bit of wiring problems there. That's from the burn section at the back where we're going now that we rebuilt. So we still need to, from the roof, rewire to the DD boxes, and then we can finish up these units as well. Just move over to the office side, which is going to be a small little commercial side. What you're seeing there is the bathrooms. Everything been re-enameled, so it's just clean up and touch up paints, and we're ready to go. So from the residential units, excuse the little dark section that's coming now. We call it our ghost alley. So over there we've got another 2 units. They're basically exactly the same as the one that we just walked through. So that's also part of phase 2, 4 residential units. And over here we've got 6 commercial units, which is going to be office space that we're going to rent out. Over here we've got 2 toilets, which we're going to just do for the tenants as a male and a female, one for each. We'll be doing a follow-up video when we're finished as well. All these walls here has been newly built. These walls here has been newly built, so for completion now, tiling, new doors, finishing up the painting, new roofs, new ceilings, new lights, new everything, and hopefully in a month to 45 days I'll see you guys again with an update video.